In addition to regular Facebook comment posts, you can also use this exact same method during your Facebook live sessions. The way this works is that we are going to basically go live on our Facebook page, and then from there we are going to set up our Facebook trigger. So let's go towards my live feed, let's go for the live video, and from here on the left hand side you can choose where you want to basically go live. I'm going to select the page that I want to go live with. So this is the page that I want to go live with. Then I'm going to choose the option set up live video. From here we need to fill in a few things before we go live on the page itself. So first of all, we're going for a title. So let's say this will be UChat Summer Sale Live Session. Then the description could be something like, so we could say something like this: get a 50% off on our entire collection by commenting sale in the comment section below. Then we can also add a video thumbnail image if you'd like to. Not really necessary. The only thing that I need to set up now is my streaming software. So I'm going with my streaming software option. This is a stream key, which I will basically insert inside my recording session, my recording software. So let me do that right now. Once I did so, I'm now going to start streaming from my software, and you will see that basically the image, the video is coming through correctly, right? So you can also see the immediate subtitles, and this all seems to be going well. Okay, so now that we know that this works, now it's time for the next step. And the next step will be to actually go live. So let's do that right now. So we should be live right now. Now let's set up the comment trigger first. So let's head over to UChat. Let's go towards the automations tab, comment keyword trigger. So if it's not displaying the post title, you can also identify it by basically the description as well. So get a 50% off on our entire collection by commenting sale in the comments below. So let's grab this one. Let's set up a comment keyword trigger called sale. And let's put up 2 or 3 variations. So let's leave it at these 2 variations. Now we're going to connect the subflow, and we're just going with the same one because we are still basically trying to sell our collection, right, in this case. So we're going to send a private reply messenger with this opt-in flow. The replies can, of course, be delayed if you like to. For the demo purpose of this video, I will set it to immediate. We're going to reply to new users, existing users, and also like the user's comment. So let's save this. Let's head over towards the live session on the Facebook page. Now that we are on the Facebook page itself, you will see that we now have the live session. Now, if we are going to comment, make sure again on the top right corner that you are commenting as yourself, your personal profile. So let's switch to that right now. And now we can give it basically a test to see if we can let the chatbot reply towards users inside of a live session. So the keyword trigger was sale. So let's basically comment with that. And let's wait a few seconds and we should see the auto like. There we go. So as you can see, UChat Summer Collection likes your comment, right? And also now replied as well. Send you a PM, check your inbox. And if you check the inbox, you will now see that you got the opt-in message. So how cool is this that you can use Facebook live sessions and enable the chatbot to reply on your behalf? This has several advantages. In this case, we are boosting conversions, boosting sales, right? But you can also use this to basically boost the engagement on your live sessions. In turn, this will get you more organic reach and also display you in people's newsfeed more frequently. So this is the way how you can enable a Facebook comment keyword trigger on a Facebook live session.